Okay, this is Scott with K52, and today we're going to look at the K52 K52. This is a smartwatch with the orange band, and when you take it out of the box, this is what you're going to see. Get your card, quick start guide, and the manual. You got a charging cable, and of course the watch. This, like I said, this is the orange band, but it also does come in black band as well. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the manual, and then if you want to go to the quick start guide, you can just go right here and start with downloading the app. So you're going to go to your phone and you're going to download the FitCloud Pro app. Alright, I've already got the FitCloud Pro app downloaded. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the app. It's this one right here. And then just click Use Without Account at the top. You don't have to have an account to use it. And you just start out by filling out all of your information. We'll do this fast for you. Okay, then just hit next. You can fill out this information. This is your goals for the days, your steps, your miles, your kilometers, whatever. Next. Next, you're going to have to bind the device. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. Hit the open button, which is going to be your power button, and just wait for it to come on. Alright, now you see that the watch popped up on there. Hit the connect. And then on the watch it pops up, agree to binding request. Hit the check. And now it's binding to your watch. Your phone app is binding to the watch. Click yes, hit pair, say it's okay. And allow. There you go, that's it. You're connected to the watch. It's going to now count your steps. It's going to keep track of everything for you. Alright, now let's go into how to change some of the settings on here. Right now it's set up at 24-hour clock. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go in and change it to 12-hour clock if that's what you want to do. So hit device and then hour style. You're going to go down to hour style right here. Follow system, which is perfect. You can force it to 12-hour if you want, or follow the system. I'm going to put it on 12-hour just to make sure it's showing me a 12-hour clock. There, as you can see, there's a lot of other things here. Raise to wake, that's so like when if you're wearing a watch and you turn your wrist, it's automatically going to come on so you can see the time. I like to turn that off just because it saves battery power. So enabled. You can also turn it off between certain times. Like it's very helpful at night when you're sleeping. If you're going to wear your watch, you can turn it off from hours 10 to 6, for example, so it doesn't wake you up at night. All right, let's go back here. Now to change the watch faces, you can go over to Dial Library. It's still under devices. Hit Dial Library. And here's a whole bunch of different watch faces that you can go through and pick whichever one you want. So if you wanted to change one, let's just go with this one. We'll click on it. It'll say push. When you click on this, basically what it's going to do is it's going to push over to the watch. You'll see this in just a second here. Okay, see now you can see that it's downloading, 3% downloaded to the watch. Okay. So now you can see that watch face is now on the watch, which that's a pretty cool one. I like the way it has movement. But if you don't like that one, you can just click on the watch and then go back to the old one or whichever one you like. Let's go back to that one for now, just since we picked it. So we're on Device tab. So for push notifications, right here, click on Push Notifications, and now you're going to enable whichever notifications you want to show on your watch. Let's go with SMS, call alert, and let's do email for now. But you can see on here there's X, there's Facebook, there's WhatsApp, a whole lot of things. If you get a message on your phone, it will then show on your watch and it'll vibrate your watch at the same time. So you can set an alarm. So you hit alarms. There's no alarm set. If you want to add an alarm, you can just put whatever you want. time you want the alarm to go off. You want it to repeat once a day or every Thursday, every Friday, or whatever. You can do that. That's great for like medications, or you want it to repeat every day. You know, time to take my medicine at X time. You can do that, and then you can name the alarm on there here too if you want to. Okay. Add contacts to your watch so it's easier for you just to go and look on your watch and then click on the contacts directly off your watch. What you do is you go to frequent contacts. Okay, so go to frequent contacts on here. Right there you can see it, frequent contacts. And then from here you can just add however many you want. And these are right off your phone, so you can just click on those. I'll have to blur all that out, but you can just say you want that on there. So now that contact will be on your watch too. Let me show you how that would work. Let's go to here, contact person, click on there. You can see now that is on there. That contact is now on the watch. Go to heart rate on your menu, click, and now it's measuring my heart rate. So 79 and 80 heartbeats per minute right now. All right, so you swipe to the right to go back. Sleep records, you'll see, it'll show you how much you slept last night, and there's your last 7 days of data. Go back again. Same thing with the blood pressure, blood oxygen. If you have any messages on there, you can click on that. It's going to show messages that have been pushed to your watch. Right now there are none. Here's the weather, 20 Celsius. Okay, so now we need to go in and change from the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you click the Me icon on the app, go to units, imperial metric, let's go to imperial pounds, Celsius, we want Fahrenheit. So just change that to Fahrenheit, and that should now be saved. Let's go back and check on the watch and make sure it did. There you go, 68 degrees, so now it's changed to Fahrenheit. Okay, there's voice assistant, let's click on that. And then hit it again. Now it's going to ask you on your phone, which do you want to use? I'm going to use Google. Google. What's the weather tomorrow? As you could hear, you could hear that on the watch. It repeated that back to me.